coming to the second program, it is having two parts, 2a and 2b. 2a program, that is, you have to create a function f such that fn is equal to fn minus 1 plus fn minus 2. It is nothing but the Fibonacci series. You know, in the Fibonacci series, a number is nothing but it is the sum of previous two numbers. So you have to write the program for this one using the function. And the second program goes like this. It has to print Fibonacci series. Okay, so if you see here, we are defining a function Fibonacci, and in that function we are displaying the Fibonacci series. Okay, actually the program execution begins here. N, it is reading the input from the keyboard, enter the value of n. After you enter the n, it is calling Fibonacci function. Okay, Fibonacci of n. Okay, from there it will come to the function definition, and inside this one we are checking whether it is less than 0. If it is less than 0, it will print the error message that n should be greater than 0, and then it will return. It is returning the call. Okay, it is just returning the call, it is not returning any value. Elif n is equal to 1. You know, n is equal to 1, that means first number in the Fibonacci series, it is nothing but it is 0. So it will print the Fibonacci series up to n, and then it is printing 0. 0 will be printed on the screen. Elif n is equal to 2, first two numbers 0 and 1. Okay, we are printing 0 and 1, and is getting written. Else Fibonacci series, first two numbers 0 comma 1. Okay, first two numbers 0 comma 1. After that, Fibonacci series, first number is 0. That means present number minus 2, that is 0, and present number minus 1, that is 1. Okay, and then after that one, from third number to up to n plus 1. Okay, from third number to up to n plus 1. Fibonacci of n is equal to that fib n minus 1 plus fib n minus 2. Okay, like that it will calculate. Okay, and then after that one, fib series dot append, that is append to that list. Okay, and fib after that one, after appending that one, fib n minus 2 will be fib n minus 1, and then fib n minus 1 will be fib, that is to calculate the next number. Okay, to calculate the next number. And the Fibonacci series up to n, that is after completing the for loop, it will print the result, that is Fibonacci series up to n, that is it will print the value. For example, while running, if we give 0, it has to print error message. Okay, enter the value of n, n is equal to 0, it is printing the error message, n should be greater than 0. And if we give 1, okay, it has to print 0. The Fibonacci series up to 1 is 0. If we give 2, 0 and 1 should be displayed. The Fibonacci series up to 2 is 0 and 1. Okay, next if we give 3, 0, 1, 1, it has to display 0, 1, 1. In the same way, if we give 8, it has to display first 8 numbers in the Fibonacci series. See, 0, 1, first two numbers, 0 plus 1, 1, that is the sum of previous two numbers, and 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 5, 13. Like that, it will display the numbers in the Fibonacci series.